When Brian said he wanted to do some upstairs renovations, this wasn't what I had in mind.
Help?
There's something fishy about this van. First day on the job, this dump truck driver not only lost his load, but the tipper trailer too.
Good gravy.
The guy in the orange bandana thinks he's helping, but he's just getting in the way and everyone knows it.
Hey!
This guy decided the sidewalk needed a fresh coat of paint. Either that or he forgot to put the lid on the paint can.
Come on!
I hope this guy's a baker because that's a lot of flour for one man.
How can I help? Can't handle the heat, my friend?
If you thought your day was bad, have a look at this. This apprentice mistook some new shower rails for a chin-up bar and ruined half the bathroom. When you pay that little bit extra for home delivery, you expect the delivery guys to be professionals. When you get paid by the hour, always make sure to create more jobs for yourself. This guy does that one step at a time.
That was freaky.
This truck driver probably thought he nailed this U-turn, but the burst water hydrant might disagree.
Yeah, boy.
Maybe he didn't see the boom gate, maybe he didn't want to pay the toll. Either way, I don't think the toll booth operator is gonna catch him on a bicycle. This FedEx driver remembered the package but forgot the handbrake. Rolling truck on an icy driveway? Hay might look light, but get a bale this big and even a diesel-powered tractor is going to struggle. Whatever his intentions were, I'm pretty sure it wasn't meant to end like this. As a delivery driver, there's 3 things you need to remember: your uniform, a friendly smile, and the handbrake. After watching this, I think I'll trust Google Maps just a little bit less next time.
You've arrived at your destination.
The driver in the blue truck is about to unintentionally get rid of all potholes in a 20-foot radius.
Nice.
This truck driver seems to think that with enough determination and willpower, he can correct his slowly tipping trailer.
Never gonna financially recover from this.
If you thought airlines were notorious for losing your luggage, you've obviously never caught a coach.
Look out!
What's the best part about this workplace bumble? No one was hurt, everyone was smiling about it, and we got to see it from 2 angles. This may not be a sophisticated setup, but at least no one's fingers got in the way. They might need a new power saw though.
Busted.
This truck driver really didn't want anyone following him. Either that or he got lazy loading his truck.
Oh man.
I'm sure rolling a brick arch seemed like a good idea at the time to these guys, but it's not a wheel, it's bricks. Ask any builder and they'll tell you that the apprentice always gets the hard jobs no one else wants, like holding ceiling beams and eating plaster. Of all people to drop a tray on, it had to be the celebrity guest. I think he took it rather well.
I'm sorry. Try again.
The final moments of a pizza's life after cooking are super fragile. Just the transfer from oven to pizza box can end up in everyone eating off the floor. We've all wanted to do that one job in a single trip. This guy went for the hero carry.
I'm dying. Help me.
If you haven't mastered the pedals, maybe think twice about becoming a food delivery courier. This country club manager was simply trying to top up his pool when he got a little distracted yanking the hose. Nothing like a quick plunge in the morning to wake you up. This officer's return to his boat was anything but graceful. Way to look cool in front of your work buddies.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Sometimes your restaurant's signature live performance can go sideways. Guess how this guy feels after a failed attempt at opening a glass door. Shattered. This worker's about to learn a lesson in physics. If you try to carry something heavier than your center of forklift, this happens. When your showroom's set up like a giant game of dominoes, it's just a matter of time before this happens. If this isn't an incentive to go cashless, I don't know what is. Maybe the cash register just hates him.
Come on!
You've heard the expression painting yourself into a corner. Now introducing cementing yourself into an indoor swimming pool. When you build a house frame and it doesn't meet regulations, it has to be leveled like a matchstick house. The big bad wolf would be proud. Ever since Final Destination, people have avoided driving behind trucks full of wood. It looks like that superstition paid off this time.
Help?
This guy thought he was going to get a gentle flowing hose to fill up his water tank. Nope. He activated the mega tap. When you don't secure your trailer properly and try to go around a corner.
Shiver me timbers!
Tell me you hate your job without telling me you hate your job. Sometimes the term DIY is taken a little too literally. I hope this guy's also an amateur plumber because that leak will only get worse.
Oh, man!
Glass is strong, but only under certain conditions. This is a fact that he's about to learn the hard way.
Great grumpy grapes!
There's a reason this is a discount barbershop. I'm pretty sure this wasn't the fresh cut he was expecting.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
If you don't have a stepladder or tall person nearby, you're in danger of this.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This right here is the very definition of an expensive day at work.
He needs some milk!
Obviously, the best time to slip over is 2 steps away from the kitchen. That's a whole lot of cleaning up to do.
Oh, brother!
It's just another average day at the local repair shop.
To infinity and beyond! Ouch!
These guys wanted to save time. They just forgot one thing.
It's time to stop.
Staged or not, this waiter took the perfect opportunity to ruin a couple's wedding. Let's just hope they had a backup cake. This guy went to the local lake hoping to catch dinner, but I'm pretty sure he hooked an underwater sea monster.
Would you please?
A baseball stadium is the last place you'd think could spring a leak, but when it does, let's just hope there's someone on hand to slide in and save the day. These Uber drivers really aren't paying attention. This one left without the passenger and she still had to pay. This delivery was going so well, until it wasn't. That's one delivery guy who knows he'll be paying for that order from his tips. No, he's not taking his pet rock on vacation. This helpful driver's towing a pesky boulder off a busy road.
Nice.
If you ever wondered why your pizza's taking forever to be delivered, this security camera might shed some light on what's going on. When you hear some rattling in the back, it's probably best to keep the door closed.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Play dumb games, win dumb prizes. Always look both ways when crossing an intersection.
When you work this efficiently, you can almost sleep on the job. At a